So up till now, we've pretty much been keeping our bow on the string even when we're not playing. But as you notice, that kind of cuts down on the nice resonance that we can get. So we do this thing called lifting the bow. And what it is I'll show you. Play 3 notes. Then you lift, you make a little bit of a circle, come back down, place your bow on the string. You hear that's a really nice ring at the end of the 3rd note. So lift, make a circle, bring it down, touch the string, pull. Let it ring, bring it down, touch the string, and pull. Now a lot of you may be tempted to do something like this. Which I don't think it sounds particularly nice. But what we want to do is create a nice sound right from the very beginning. That's why we always put the bow on the string and then we pull gently. You don't want to make a big ugly sound like that. Remember, it doesn't take much pressure or weight to make the string vibrate. Lift, let it ring, put it down. Okay, so now we're going to try a little bit of a song. It's called Shortening Bread, and at the end of every phrase that you lift your bow, I want you to nicely lift your bow, place the bow back on the string, and then start playing again. So we're looking to hear a little bit of ring on the end of our notes, okay? So here we go. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift. 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 There you go. Remember to lift your bow nicely, place it before you play it again. And that way you'll get a nice ring from your cello. And that's lifting the bow.